Okay, in this video we are studying SN2 reaction mechanism. This reaction, this S stands for substitution reaction, En stands for nucleophile or nucleophilic, and 2 stands for second order or bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction. Actually, what happened when the methyl bromide CH3Br on alkaline hydrolysis with NaOH or KOH, the alkaline hydrolysis with NaOH or KOH gives the product CH3OH plus KBr. In ionic form, it is written as CH3Br plus OH minus gives CH3OH plus Br minus. Here in this reaction, weaker nucleophile, that is weaker nucleophile Br minus is substituted by stronger nucleophile, that is hydroxyl group. Okay. In this reaction, methyl bromide and hydroxide ion gives methanol and follow a second order kinetics. Hence, it indicates the rate of chemical reaction depends upon both substrate, that is CH3Br, and attacking nucleophile, that is OH minus ion. Okay, hence it has the order of reaction is second order, as the rate of reaction depends on both the substrate as well as the nucleophile. Therefore, the reaction is called as nucleophilic substitution bimolecular reaction, that is SN2 reaction. Okay, the example is this: the CH3Br plus OH minus CH3Br plus OH minus gives methanol, leaving the Br minus ion. The actual mechanism, is given below. In this reaction, the CH simply we can write like this: H, H and Br. What happened? The Br minus is attacking from the back side of the leaving group. Sorry, the OH minus, that is nucleophile, is attack from back side of bromine, because there is bulkiness, bulkiness or a repulsion. Hence, there is a formation of intermediate step called as transition state. In transition state, what happen? In transition state, the both nucleophile as well as the leaving group is partly bonded to the carbon atom, and this is called as transition state of the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, the rate is determined by both the nucleophile as well as the substrate, that is methyl bromide. The two reactants present and the rate of reaction affected by both the reactants like CH3Br and nucleophile. This is single step reaction. Methyl bromide gets converted into OH, C, H, 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 that is methanol with inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration. Here, as it is single step reaction, it is single step reaction in which